Thanksgiving dinner. Who is the real number one? Tom and Kathy have a Thanksgiving dinner with their family. When eating, Tom received a tough question, making him confused. Let's watch the video below and enjoy. It's been a long time since we've been to Daddy's house. Yes, we visited them during the summer holiday. I really like Thanksgiving Day. Me too. Should we buy a turkey for Mom? Nope. She texted me that Bella will buy it. Is there anyone coming today? Of course, yes. Today is Turkey Day, you know. Everyone will gather with their family to have a big dinner. So there are Lisa, Eddie, and Bella, right? Yes, I am so happy that you still remember Eddie. You have never met him yet. We are friends on WhatsApp. Today will be a great time. I miss them so much. You can meet them in 20 minutes. No worries. Mommy, Daddy, I'm home. Hello, sweetie. Hi, Tom. Hi, Mom. Where is my daddy? He is in the garden. There is some wild grass, so he is plucking them up. I bought some wine and fruit. Thank you. Come in. Everyone is inside. Hi, Lisa. Hi, Kathy. You look so pretty. Long time no see. Is everything good? Yes, of course. Where are Eddie and Bella? Eddie is in the garden with Daddy. And Bella? She is on the way. Oh, she should tell me then. We can pick her up on our way. No worries. She's fine. She should be faster. If not, we can be late for dinner. I think I should help Mom in the kitchen. Tommy, are you there? Yes, I'm here. Do you need any help here? No, you should help Daddy. You also should check the car and some furniture for Dad. He always forgets them and I am so nervous. Okay, I see. Hello, girls. Hi, Bella. Long time no see. Hi, Lisa. Oh, I just met you last week. Come in. We should be faster. It's late now. Oh, wait, Bella, where is the turkey? You said you would buy it. Yes, I did. Oh my gosh. Wait a few minutes. Oh my gosh. Did you forget it? You are going to ruin our Thanksgiving. Be quiet. Let's see what she says. I bought it yesterday, I swear. But I think I forgot it in the cab. Oh my! Should we buy a new one? But it takes a lot of time. Are you serious? What should we do now? Do you have the number of the driver? I think. Yes. Let me check. Hopefully he hasn't gone too far. Got it. Hello? Hi, who is that? I'm Bella. You just dropped me around 10 minutes ago. Yes, what happened? Do you want me to pick you up later? No. I think I'll leave my Thanksgiving turkey in your car. Really? Yes. Can you please come back to the previous address? Are you serious? Turkey is the most important thing in Thanksgiving dinner. Please. Okay, but you have to pay the fee. Absolutely. Thanks so much. While we are waiting for him, we can make some cakes and other dishes. Okay, hope he will arrive soon. Girls, why are you gathering here? We have a lot of things to do. Come in. Okay. We will start with the turkey. Mommy, I'm so sorry. What? Bella, don't say that you forgot to buy it. No, I did, but it is on the way here. 15 more minutes. Why? She forgot it in the cab. Oh my God. Cool down, Mom. The driver is coming back. Don't ruin our Thanksgiving day. Absolutely not. We can prepare all ingredients first. Okay, let's do it. Come in. Dinner is ready. Oh my! Look at the roasted turkey. It's so amazing. Guess who did it? Mommy, definitely. She is a master in roasted turkeys, chicken, and fish. I think Mommy is a master in using an oven. All her dishes are really good. Guess who this pumpkin pie is? Kathy? Good answers, Tommy. She always makes it for me in our house. Lucky boy. She rarely cooks anything for me. Come on, Mommy. That's true, Tom. A lazy girl, but I love all her dishes. She makes food to die for. Enjoy the meal. Bon appetit. Wow, I really love this roasted turkey. So juicy and the skin crisped up so nicely. Mom has her own special recipes. I like the smell of rosemary. Me too. It's so good. It is very moist and flavorful. Do you want to have more, Tom? I'm so full, so just a bit, please. Okay. I think Tom really likes that turkey. I think so. Tom, is it delicious? Yes. Wow. Jackpot. Number 1. This is one of the best turkeys I have ever eaten. Kathy also roasted delicious turkey, didn't she? Yes, she is number 1 also. Her dishes are awesome. She seems to be a master chef. Come on, Tom. Number 1 is the only one in the world. It cannot be both Mom and Kathy. So, who is the real number 1? Lisa, you make him confused. No, I just want to clarify it. What is this atmosphere? That's a great question, Lisa. Kathy has learned everything from Mom. Thanks, Mom, for raising a great daughter and also a great wife for me as well. Oh, thanks, Tom. Oh my God, an excellent answer. You are so smart, Tommy. Your answer is the best. Kathy, you have the best husbands ever. I am so jealous. I think you should get married soon. So do I. Wow, today is a great day. Yes, but I was so nervous with Lisa. Why? The question about who is the best. I was so confused at that time. I don't know why Lisa asked me that weird question. In a million years, I have never thought you got that awesome answer. I'm so proud of you. The best answer. Thanks, honey. Let's go. I'm so sleepy now. Take a nap. I will wake you up when we arrive home. Thanks, honey. Relax. Drive careful. If you are sleepy, wake me up, then I will drive. No, I'm fine. No worries. Let's go.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.